The D in the past, originally it's ed with a vowel at the beginning. But when we write it, we don't put that vowel. But because it's originally a vowel before the D, we put a Y as a protection letter. Odayı, the room. See here, oda, room. Odayı, the room. Look here, now we use Y as a protection letter. Why? Because A is part of this word. Oda ends with A, that's why Y is a protection letter. Now vermek, to give as it is. Infinitive form ister, the geniş zaman, wants. We said the geniş zaman used sometimes to express present tense. And we said before this maktadır, we use it in textbooks, in official papers, or also present continuous tense is reading. So this is the case here. Edna is reading.
This is the detailed explanation that you will receive when you register for the 5 Turkish stories for beginners that I have created for all those who are learning Turkish and finding difficulty. These are not just any 5 stories, these are 9-hour stories. Yes, these 5 stories are 9-hour long, so you have a lot of learning to do. If you are ready to invest in yourself, then check the link below.